Yeah, good evening everyone. So please check the audio video is okay or not before proceeding further. Please check one time. Yeah, let me start now. Let me start. Yeah, I am starting now. Please see this. So, computer networks. Computer network full course. So, lecture number 1. So, today we will discuss about computer network full course lecture number 1. Right? So, this course, whatever I am going to teach now, if you listen carefully, this course whatever I am going to teach, right, if you listen carefully in GATE examination, right, for computer network, this course is more than enough. Afterwards PYQs you solve. Afterwards I will conduct one rank improvement course also. That one also you can follow. Right? These lectures if you follow plus PYQs followed by rank improvement course. If you do that, computer networks almost you done. Right? I don't teach anything unnecessary. Right? I don't leave anything necessary. Whichever necessary for GATE examination, I am going to cover everything. Right? So lecture number 1. Computer network full course lecture number 1. Right? I am starting. Lecture number 1 I am starting. So let me go ahead. Just let me minimize a little bit. Yeah, fine. So this is the correct lecture number 1. So I am starting now. See the next one. Careful everyone. Lecture number 1 I am starting. Because of it is a right starting class, I have to say introduction, how many marks will come, right? So how to handle those, right? Let's see one by one. Syllabus. Let me cover the syllabus. Computer network syllabus for GATE examination. So the first one which is very important. Every year either right one question will come or two questions will come from this area. Sometimes 3 also will come. Right? It is a very important topic in GATE examination. Computer networks is concerned. Right? The first topic is IP addressing. This is the first topic. In computer networks GATE syllabus, the important topic is IP addressing. This is the very important topic. You may get approximately, right? If you may get approximately 1 to 3 questions. Sometimes 3 also will come. I seen in the previous paper, right? 1 to 3 questions you will get. IP addressing 1 to 3 questions. So go to the 2. Second chapter is going to be data link layer. Data link layer. First one is IP addressing 1, 2, 3. Second one is data link layer. Third one is right, data link layer. Right, you may see data link layer questions are on framing. On framing, you will see the few questions. And one more thing is, right, CSMA by CD, CSMA by CA, right? You will see few questions on that. And one more thing is on data link layer. Yeah, very important topic in the data link layer, right? Yeah, flow control techniques, which is going to be sliding window protocol. It is a very important. So data link layer, right? Sliding window is very important. Sliding window, framing also, right? And one more thing is a frame format also. Major important thing is sliding window protocol. Stop and wait, go back and select to repeat, right? Every year one question you will see from the right sliding window protocol. If you are lucky, you may see two questions also. And one more thing is going to be error control techniques. Error control techniques, CRC, checksum, right? So error control also, flow control also very important. In the data link layer, error control, flow control. More important things are error control, flow control. Error control, flow control. In the flow control, you will see sliding window protocol, right? Which is going to be stop and wait, go back and select to repeat. Error control, CRC, right? Next one is going to be CRC is a one more thing. One more thing is going to be checksum also, right? Two things. But anyhow, marks if you see, right? Here also you are able to see. Right? I think error techniques if you see one, flow control if you see one, maybe you are able to find out 1 to 2 questions. You are able to find out 1 to 2 questions in the previous paper every year from data link layer. Next one is one of the important topic is network layer. Network layer. Yeah, in the data link layer you will see one more thing. I will write that also. One more thing that is going to be, right? In the data link layer, one more thing, CSMA by CD. That is also you may see one question maybe from there. Combinedly I am writing combinedly 1, 2, 3 maybe. Let me remove this. 1, 2, 3 questions. 1, 2, 3 questions. Right? Sometimes maybe 1, sometimes maybe 2, sometimes CSMA by CD 1. Error control 1, flow control 1. If you are lucky, if you are not lucky, maybe right one of the thing you will give. Flow control, that is a sliding window protocol, they will give. Come to the next one, network layer protocol. So I think everyone know subject name is computer network. Subject name is computer network, right? So it is a network layer. I think in my opinion, total computer network is running on network layer only. Total computer network is running on the network layer only. It is a very important, right? In the network layer, the major important thing is fragmentation. That is the more important thing. And one more thing is, right? One more thing is going to be, because of the network layer, right? I think header format. Header format is very important. So you are going to see 1 to 3 questions maybe, or 1 to 2. I cannot. It is very difficult to say exactly, right? Whatever I understood, whatever I am thinking, roughly I given. Roughly. Network layer 1 to 3 questions. Network layer, but minimum is 1 question guarantee. Maximum maybe 3 questions. Maximum maybe 3. Right? Let's go to next one. Fourth one. One of the very important one. Transport layer. Right? So this will, I think this one, if you observe transport layer, one important thing is on header you may get header format, right? I think transport layer, TCP header, UDP header you have to learn. So on the header you will get, right? And one more thing is right? One more thing is going to be TCP state diagram. Which is very important. TCP state diagram, which is a very important one. And one more thing is TCP congestion control protocol. TCP congestion control. Right? Header format is required. TCP UDP header, especially TCP header. Next one, TCP state diagram, TCP congestion control. TCP congestion control. That is the fourth one. Here also you are able to see, right? 1, 2. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 questions. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Right? Header format, TCP state diagram, TCP congestion control. 1, 2, 3. So I think if you observe clearly, everywhere I kept see minimum 1 question will come. Minimum every chapter 1. Minimum every chapter 1. Minimum every chapter 1. If you are lucky, maybe it will increase also. Let's go to 5. Application layer protocols. Application layer protocols. That may be application layer protocol. If you see HTTP, HTTPS. Next one FTS, file transfer protocol, FTP. Next one is going to be DNS. Next one is going to be SMTP. HTTP for internet purpose, FTP for file transfer, SMTP for mail purpose, DNS for domain naming server or domain naming service, right? So I think these are the important things, right? So I think firewall also, we'll study something about firewall also, right? These are the things. Here also you can expect, right, 1 to 2 questions. Here also you can expect 1 to 2 questions. Here also 1 to 2 you can expect. Yeah, I hope this is the syllabus you got. So first one is on IP addressing, series 1. We'll discuss few classes on IP addressing, right? I can say more, right? But you have to understand 13 subjects. If you study, you will get a nice GATE rank. If you study 1 subject, you don't get. If you study 2 subjects, you don't get. If you study 13 subjects, then you will get a nice rank. 13 subjects required. Some people are asking 13 subjects study. If I get the very good GATE rank, there is no guarantee. That also no guarantee. 13 subjects you study, properly study, then followed by do practice. 6 months for completing syllabus, 6 months for practicing. Some people are saying, sir, 6 months I will complete the total syllabus, I don't practice, I will get. No. Even Tendulkar also needed practice. Even Virat Kohli also needed practice. Without practice, you cannot do anything. You cannot get anything. Even though you are extraordinary person, practice needed. So listen everyone now. 3 things will give guarantee, right? Good GATE rank. 3 things will give guarantee good GATE rank. First one, completing syllabus. Second one, doing practice. Third one, writing test series. Third one is writing test series. The first one, completing syllabus. Second one is first completing syllabus. Second one is lot of practice. Third one is test series. Right? Some people are asking, sir, how, sir? If you start now, 6 months completing syllabus. 6 months completing syllabus. Right? Next one, 3 more months practicing, revision, practicing like that. 3 more months writing test series. If you can do like this, trust me, no one will stop your GATE rank. Sir, if I complete syllabus, I will get no. Sir, I will complete half syllabus, I will do practice, I will get no. Sir, I will complete syllabus, I will practice also, I don't write test series, you will get the GATE rank. No. These 3 things required. Completing syllabus is right major one. Second one is practice is very, very important. Test series is also these 3 are mandatory. You may be extraordinary. These 3 things, one thing you miss, you don't get the rank. You may be very dull student. You are a average student. These 3 things you do, guarantee you will get the nice rank. I am really saying to you through experience. These 3 things if you do, even though you are an ordinary student, you will get the nice rank. These 3 things you miss anything, you may be extraordinary person, you don't get the rank. Remember these 3 steps are required. If required, I will write also. Listen, if required, I will write. First one is going to be completing syllabus. Complete syllabus. That is the first step. Second step is going to be, first step is complete syllabus. Second step is going to be practice, revision. Right? Practice, revision. Next one, 3, test series. and one more PYQs and PYQs. First one is completing syllabus, second one is going to be practice, revise, practice, revise, practice, revise, practice the notes, revise again, right? Do like that, right? Practicing, revision, do like 5 times you do, 5 times. If more revision, more clarity you will get. If more revision, more clarity you will get. Practice and right. What some people are asking, sir, what should I practice, sir? Practice the notes. Whatever I will say now, practice that first. Some people, what they will do is they will listen half. Notes they will get half. PYQs they will solve half. With half knowledge they will go to GATE exam. Right? Finally they will disqualify. So my suggestion to you is complete syllabus first. Next one what you do is practice the notes. Whatever I will say, practice it. Doubts are there, revise the notes. Practice. What should I practice? Whatever notes I given, practice it. Just to practice the notes. Whatever lectures I will give, write the notes. While I am giving the lecture, you make the notes also. Make the notes first. Make the notes. Right? That notes you revise again and again. That notes you practice. That notes you revise again and again. How many times I should do revisions, sir? All 13 subjects. Right? 5 times you should do. If you do 5 times, you are going to get 80 marks, 90 marks you will get. If you do, some people are asking, sir, I will complete syllabus. I don't do revision, sir. I will complete syllabus. How many marks I will get, sir? If you only complete syllabus, you will get 40. If you just complete the syllabus, you will get only 40 marks. After syllabus completion, do 1 round, you will get 50 marks. After syllabus completion, you will do 2 rounds. 2 rounds revision you will get 60 marks. 3 rounds, 70 marks. 4 round, 80 marks. 5th round, 90, 100 you will get. So what I want to say, more revisions if you do, not by hearting, more revisions if you do, you will get the better marks. Only completing syllabus, I am giving the answer also. Let me write in another color. See, so only if you complete syllabus, you may get 40 marks. 30 to 40 you will get. 30 to 40 you will get. 30 or 40 you will get. If you only complete syllabus, right? Here, for every round revision, first round you will get, right? Without any revision, you will get the 30 to 40. Right? If with the first revision, you will get 50. Next revision, you will get 60. Next revision, 70. Next revision, 80. Next revision, 90. So something like that. Every revision, it will increase the marks. Next one, you done this one? Practice also you do. If you do more, right? See this one, test series writing, PYQ solving, it will give more clarity. If you do this also, 100 marks you will get. So you always remember, you have to try for 100 marks. Some people are asking, sir, I don't want 100, sir. I will get only 80, sir. You always remember, after all, we are humans. If you try for 80 marks, you will get 60. If you try for 100 marks, you may get 80. Whatever you try in your life, you will always get less than what you tried. You don't get more than what you tried. Always in your life, if you want, you can verify. Just go back and check yourself. Whatever you try in your life, most of the time, 1 or 2 times maybe, right, special cases, but most of the time, whatever you try, you will always get less than what you tried. You tried for IAS, some people will try top rank in IAS. Top rank they want to get. They may end up, they are trying for 1 rank, they may get 10th rank. They may get 100 rank, they may get 50 rank. So some people try for IAS top rank, they will get IAS some rank. Some people they want IAS some rank, they will get IPS. Some people will try IPS for IPS top rank, they will get IPS some rank. Some people they will try IPS some rank, they will go for IFS. Always whatever you try, most of the occasion, you will get less than what you tried. You tried for X, you will get mostly less than it. But important thing is, if you try more efficiently, close to your required thing you will get. Close to your, more efforts if you give, more close you will get. If you keep the less efforts, very far away you will see. If you keep more efforts, very close you will see. You tried for a GATE examination, right, to go to IIT.
Means instead of trying going to IIT, try for 100 marks. You may get 80 marks or 90 marks. So my suggestion is completing syllabus, right? Practice, right? Practice and revise. Practice my class notes. Revise my class notes. Do 5 times. 3 months you take, right? Revise all the 13 subjects. Next one, last 3 months PYQs, right? PYQs, so test series you solve. Some people are asking, sir, while practicing, can I practice PYQs? Yes, if you want, you can do PYQs here also. Lastly also practice, lastly also PYQs practice, right? Here also you can practice. Practice, revise. In the practice, you can practice PYQs also. In the revision, right, you can revise the notes again and again. Lastly, last 2 to 3 months, test series, PYQs you have to do. Remember, this is the syllabus. This is the, right, I think, right, questions allocation. 1, 2, 3 questions you will get. Here also 1, 2, 3 questions you will get. Right, here also 1, 2, 3 questions you will get. Right, transport layer 1, 2, 3 questions you will get. Application layer you will get 1 to 2 questions. So if you observe clearly, right, everywhere 1, 1, 1 if you take also, right, overall you may get 5 questions. 5 tunes 10 marks, or maybe 8 marks, maybe 7. I cannot say exactly how many will come. Sometimes more will come, sometimes less will come. I cannot predict what is going to be, how many marks going to be, right, how many questions going to be. I cannot predict. Roughly I can say, maybe roughly minimum 8 marks will come, maximum maybe 15 marks will come, right? So please follow whatever I am saying. It is the lecture number 1. Like that every lecture you follow. Every lecture you will follow, you will get the more benefits, right? So my suggestion is without missing, follow. Without missing, you follow, right? Fine. So I think, yeah, it's the correct time. It's the correct time. See this one, lecture number 1. Computer network lecture number 1, right? This is the syllabus. This is the syllabus which you have to follow. And one more, some people may ask that, sir, what books I have to follow? To be frank, no books are required, because no book is enough. Because it is a combination of so many books. In the internet, if you type, you will get so many materials also. But don't waste your time. In the internet, if you type, so many materials you will get. Don't do research in one subject. This is out of 13, this is the one of the subject. Whatever I am saying, just follow. Whatever I am saying, just follow. Right? Let's start now. Yeah, before going, just I want to give one advice to you as a elder brother. I want to give one advice to you. Right? If at all, whatever I am going to say, if it is useful to you, you take. Otherwise, you can neglect. Right? Let me say something. As a elder brother, let me say something to you. See this one. Many people are fighting to get the top rank. Many students are fighting for, right, to get the top rank. Many students are fighting. So to your knowledge, to your efforts, Unacademy exports efforts also, if you add, you are going to get a very nice rank. To your efforts, to your hard work, right? If you take Unacademy top educators efforts also, you are going to get a very nice rank. Suppose assume that without Unacademy support, you will get 1000 rank assume. With Unacademy support, you will get 100 rank. Without Unacademy support, you will get 100 rank assume. With Unacademy support, you will get rank 1. My suggestion is, if possibility there, right? If at all finance is not a problem, my suggestion, please join Unacademy. Definitely will help you. I am there to help you. Right? In Unacademy I am teaching. Right? See some algorithm I am teaching. Algorithm subject I am teaching. Programming I am teaching. Data structures I am teaching. TOC I am teaching. Compiler design I am teaching. Computer network I am teaching. Discrete mathematics I am teaching. See this one. Almost like 7 subjects I am teaching. If you join in Unacademy, 7 subjects I am teaching. 7. Not 1 or 2, 7. Right? If you study from the YouTube, you will find out few of my lectures. You may not able to find out all lectures. You will find out few. If you study them, definitely you will get some advantage. In the YouTube only, if you study, guarantee you will get some advantage. Guarantee you will gain the knowledge also. But the thing here is, right? If you join the Unacademy course, if you join, total syllabus will be over in 6 months. From now onwards, total syllabus will be over only in 6 months. If you study in the YouTube, it may take 1 year.
It will take 1 year if you study in the YouTube. In the YouTube also you will find out few of my lectures. Completely not there, few of my lectures are there. But it will take a lot of time. 1 year. Total syllabus completion in the YouTube will take 1 year. But if you join the Unacademy, within 6 months you can complete. Within 6 months. I am giving the surety. These are the subjects which I will complete. Right? If you join Unacademy, see Ignite batch is going on. You join in this. I am going to complete all these 7 subjects. So it is me. I will complete in Unacademy 7 subjects. And the important thing is, out of these 7 subjects, last year if you observe, last year GATE paper if you observe, right, 60 marks came from these 7 subjects. 60 marks literally came. Out of those 60, 55 to 50 marks directly from notes. 50 to 55 directly from notes. Yeah, few questions came little tough. It's a part and parcel of any competitive exam. We cannot guess everything. We cannot expect everything. After all, we are humans. So, right, 60 marks came from all these 7 subjects. From my notes, directly 50. Indirectly 55 marks came. So those students who followed all my lectures, they got a lot of benefit. And one more thing is going to be, I have 15 years of teaching experience for computer science GATE aspirants. 15 years of teaching experience. I will keep all my efforts to make sure everything will come from notes only. I will try my level best to keep as best as possible in your notes. So my suggestion is, please take Unacademy subscription, complete syllabus as soon as possible. In YouTube also you can study, no objection at all, but it may take more time, 1 year. If you take in Unacademy, 6 months you can complete syllabus, 3 months you can revise, right? 2 more months or 3 more months you can practice. If you do that, no one will stop your GATE rank. My suggestion is, please join the Ignite batch. If you are determined, if you have target, what is the target? Okay, this year 2023 I want to crack GATE exam. Sorry, 2024 I want to crack. Target also in the YouTube, those people who will study in the YouTube, they may not having any target. Their goal is gaining knowledge. But if you want to gain knowledge, if you want to target the GATE exam also, if you want to target PSU exam also, my suggestion, join this. If you don't join, right, it will, right, in the YouTube it will take a lot of time, 1 year required, but here 6 months you will complete the syllabus. So join the Ignite batch, which is going to be started Feb' 28, right? So, and one more thing is, use the referral code REDDY sir. You will get the very good discount also. Next one. So there is one more batch for foundation batch for 2025 people. 2025 people, there is a foundation batch also. 2025 people, there is a foundation batch also. You can join this also, right? In this batch also I will teach 7 subjects. So use the referral code REDDY sir. I am very clear. I am saying to you, I will try my level best to support you. Every day I will take the class. Indirectly, directly, every day I will take. Very rare incident I don't take class. Every day I will take. Right? Sometimes 4 classes I will take. Sometimes 2 classes I will take. But most of the time 2 to 4 I will take. Minimum 2 I am going to take. Saturday, Sunday we will give. Saturday, Sunday sometimes I will give off. Or Saturday, Sunday I will take practice classes. Monday to Friday I will take actual classes. Saturday and Sunday I will take practice classes. Sometimes I will give rest also. Sometimes I will take Saturday, Sunday only 1 class. Sometimes 2 classes. So that you can practice more. But Monday to Friday, every day I will take minimum 2 classes. Right? Fine. So this batch you can join if you are preparing for 2025. 2024 you can join the Ignite batch. Use the referral code REDDY sir. You will get the lot of discount also. Now let's go to one more thing. See this one. If you join before 28. If you join, see this one, I think 28, right? 22, 28, one offer is going on, 50% off, almost 50% off. If you are preparing for 2024, my suggestion, my sincere suggestion, if you are serious about GATE exam, you want to crack GATE exam somehow, you want to gain as much knowledge as possible, trust me, I am there to help you. Please come and join. I will really support you so that you are going to get a very nice rank. right? After joining, you have to keep lot of efforts also. My hard work and your hard work, systematic way will give better results. 50%, right? One offer is going on. 50% one offer is going on. You can join. See, plus class, right? There are two things are there. Plus also, iconic also. Plus you have to pay this much. Iconic you have to pay this much. My suggestion is go for iconic. You will get lot of advantages. Right? Use the referral code. You will get that 50% discount. Right? Next one. For the 2025 people, right? So you can join plus also, iconic also. Plus will take this much, iconic will take this much, right? So my suggestion is, I will advise you go for iconic. You will get many advantages. Plus maybe you will get the half advantages. Iconic you will get the full advantage. Sir, iconic I cannot accommodate, sir. There is a 50% offer also going on. You can utilize it. Worst case you can join the plus also. But my suggestion, please join. Don't waste your valuable time in the YouTube. Otherwise 1 year will be wasted. I am also teaching YouTube. See, I'm not demotivating you. Don't study from YouTube. I will teach in the YouTube also. But all full may not be there. If you keep on finding in the YouTube, right, the problem is going to be time waste. 1 year it will take. Where will you practice? Where will you do the test series? Right? Those people who completed the syllabus in the YouTube, most of the time they will say that, right, time is not there, sir, for practice purpose. So just take this. When you are taking this course in an academy, that means that you are really serious. You are really determined. Right? So when you are really determined, then only people can pay. If you are not determined, you don't pay normally. Right? Those people who don't determine, normally they will watch YouTube lectures. Right? To support those people, really they cannot afford. To support them, I am teaching in the YouTube. To support those people who cannot afford at all, to them I am teaching. But if you can little bit also affordable, you can go through it. Right? It will be really beneficial to you, because within 6 months you can complete syllabus. Next one, right? Raudra lectures also there. So I think 6,000, right, for 15 months, 30, right? So 8,000 for the 30 months. You can use this also. Use referral code Reddy sir. Right, now let's go to next one. Those people who completed the GATE examination in 2023 GATE exam, you completed, you can verify your rank using Unacademy rank predictor. These are the steps which you have to follow. Right? Next one. If you go for iconic, see, if you go for iconic, you will get these many advantages. If you go for iconic, you will get these many advantages. If you go for plus, you will get only this. So my suggestion is 2024 person, right? Go to the, right, 2024 people, 25 people, go for iconic. 24 people, 25 people go for iconic. After joining, please keep a lot of efforts. I will conduct many practice classes. I will complete the syllabus, right? Before August ending, I will complete the syllabus. Before August ending, I will complete the syllabus. I am repeating again and again. Before August ending, I will complete syllabus. If you start now, there is an advantage. Right? Please take care. These are the suggestions from Unacademy. As the elder brother, I want to help you, I done. Whether you join or not, that's a different story. If you cannot join, I am teaching in the YouTube also. You can follow my YouTube lectures. The only thing is it will take 1 year to complete the syllabus. If you join in Unacademy, only in 6 months I will complete syllabus, so that you have a lot of time, right, for practicing and all. Let's start now. Yeah, today is the first lecture of the computer network. Some basics needed. I am starting. Basics. For the first chapter, let me write the first chapter. Name. Yeah, first chapter name, as I mentioned to you, what is the answer? IP addressing. First chapter name is IP addressing. That is needed a few basics. I will explain all the basics. IP addressing is the first chapter. Few basics required, I will explain. Right?
So I think I said until now I didn't see your comments also. Now I will check your comments one time. Those people who are watching, you can write your comments in the comment section. I will try to help you. Right? I will see the comments now. Until now I didn't see. Now you can go for the comments and you can write whatever doubts are there. I will take a few minutes, right, to see all the doubts. If it is possible, I will help you. Right? If it is everything normal, then I will go to the right basics one by one. Let's check. Let me check one time.
Yeah, so some people are asking, sir will complete the total computer network. Yes, I will complete. I am saying to you, I will complete. It may take more time, right? Don't blame me afterwards. It may take more time because every month, right? Right? Computer network class, right? YouTube lectures are less to me. I will complete. Pakka, I will complete. But it may take more time. I don't know. Maybe it will take 1 month or 2 months. I don't know. I will try my level best, but I will complete total. So those people, I am really saying, if you are not able to afford, you can follow this. If chance is there, you want to complete the syllabus early, then join the plus, right? I want to support both the people. Right? Fine. Let's start now. Right? Fine. So someone is asking, sir, this is good or that is good. Why are you asking here? Right? Why are you asking here? How can you ask like this? Right? Please, my suggestion is, right, utilize this for a better, right? Utilize this one, right, to make everything better in your life. Don't do any advertisement here. My suggestion is this, right? Let's start. Let me start the basics. Right? Basics. What are the basics required? For the first chapter, what are the basics required? For the first chapter, what are the basics required? I'm starting. My suggestion is those people, right? Those people who are watching this one, please take positive way. Please take a positive way. Please utilize this properly. If anyone is not supporting also in the comments, please don't encourage those kind of things, because these are the things which we are teaching for those people who cannot afford. You cannot join. For them this is. Right? For them this is, right? If you can join, please join without wasting the time. This is the problem with the YouTube. Some people will come, they are not interested, they will post whatever they want. This is the problem with the YouTube. That is the reason I don't want to see comments also. Because some unnecessary comments. My suggestion is please encourage the good things. Right? Let's start. Right? Basics. Right? I will ask you one small question. Total IP addressing is based on binary representation. Total IP addressing is based on binary representation. Some basics required. How to convert binary to decimal to binary. Some basics required. Right? This total IP addressing is based on some binary conversion. Binary to decimal how? Decimal to binary how? I will give few examples which are really required. Afterwards, I will go to the actual chapter. Right? Let's start this. Basics. See the basics. Everyone see the basics. Let us assume that 25 is a decimal number. 25 is a decimal number. Can you help me now? If the 25 is a decimal number, how to convert into binary? 25 is a decimal number. How to convert into binary? Let me do this one. You know very well. Right? Decimal to binary conversion. So if you want binary conversion, It is the base 10. You want to base 2. If you want base 2, divide by 2. 2, right? I think 2 12s 24, 1 remainder. Next one, 2 6 12, remainder 0. 2 3s 6, remainder 0. Next one, 2 1s 2, remainder 1. Right? Because of less than 2 came, stop it. Whenever you are continuing, whenever less than 2 came, see this one, this is the less than 2, stop it. If 2 also continue, less than 2, stop it. Less than 2 means maybe either 1 or 0, stop it. After stopping, listen, after stopping, then what you do is, from the bottom onwards, write all the people. From the bottom onwards, write all the people. Write all the people. If you write all the people, see this one, 1 1, 0 0, 1, base 2. That is the binary conversion. Decimal to binary, this is the way. I have here one number, I want to convert. I have here one number, decimal number, I want to convert into binary. Just to divide by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. After dividing, whenever you got 1 or 2, 1 or 0, stop it. See this one, see, if you see the 12, I think it is not less than 2, continue. 6, it is not less than 2, continue. 3, it is not less than 2, continue. 1, less than 2, stop it. 0 also stop, 1 also stop. After stopping, from bottom onwards, write everyone. So 1 1 0 0 1. So this is the equivalent binary number. For the given decimal number, this is the way how to convert decimal to binary. This is the way. Everyone know, just I want to remind you one time, because right, by assuming everyone know, if I start somewhere, right, somewhere you will get trouble. But I know most of the people, as a CSE person, I'm a computer science person, right, as a CSE person, I know many people know binary, right, decimal to binary conversion. Many people know, but still I am explaining. The reason is I have to take care about all the people. Okay, I hope you are okay with the binary to, decimal to binary conversion. Some people are asking, sir, I have a binary number, how to convert into decimal, sir? Just you have to do reverse process, right? So this is going to be decimal to binary. This conversion is, let me write now, decimal to binary. Decimal to binary, this is the story. Now let's see the binary to decimal how. Binary to decimal how? Very simple. Listen everyone now, very simple. So this is the LSD, least significant digit. It is the MSB, most significant bit. It is the least significant bit. It is the most significant bit. So what you do is, start from LSB. This one, LSB1 into 2 power 0. Next one, next LSB, 0 into 2 power 1. Next one, again 0, 2 square, powers are increasing. See, for the first LSB 2 power 0 multiply, second LSB 2 power 1 multiply, next LSB 2 square multiply, next one, 1 into 2 power 3, next one, 1 into 2 power 4. Right? So I think, see, this one multiply by 2 power 0, this is multiply by 2 power 1, this is multiply by 2 square, this is multiply by 2 cube, multiply by 2 power 4. Like that multiply. If you multiply, can you help me once? What the answer? This is, I think, 2 power 4 means 16. 1 into 2 power 4 is 16. Next one, 1 into 2 cube is 8. Next one, 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Then it will goes to 1 into 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. I think 16 plus 8 is 24 plus 1. It became 25. See, same thing came back. I started with the 25, right? After 2 conversion. First I done the decimal to binary. Afterwards binary to decimal I done. I got the same thing back. If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. In the comment section, you can inform me. Yeah, someone is saying that audio is not okay. Yeah, let me try that also. Just wait. Yeah, fine. Is it okay now? Verify now. Verify now. Is it okay or not? Hopefully now fine. Yeah, hopefully now fine. Right. So if you are comfortable, listen, those people who done the binary to decimal conversion, decimal to binary. See this one. If you want decimal to binary, divide by 2. Decimal to binary, divide by 2. Next one, binary to decimal, multiply by 2. Reverse process. Reverse process. May everyone know. Only for namesake I explain. To get the clarity, can you do one example? Can you do one example from your side? Can you do one example from your side? See this one. Can you do one example from your side? 6. Right. Let me write now. Yeah, fine, perfect. Yeah. 69 base 10. What is base 2? Can you complete this? 69 base 10 is equal to something into base 2. What it is? Can you try now? Yeah, can you try this? Divide by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 like that. So let me try this one. 69. So divide by 2. So what is the answer? I think 2, right? So 2, how much? 230 is 60. 234, 68. I think 234s. 68, 1 remainder. Next one, 2 17s, 34, 0 remainder. Next one, 2 8 16, 1 remainder. 2 4s 8, 0 remainder. 2 2s, right? I think 0 remainder. 2 1s, 0 remainder. 2 1s 2. 0 remainder. Because of 1, stop it. Because of 1, stop it. 234, 68, 1 remainder. 2 17s, 34, 0 remainder. 2 8 16, 1 remainder. 2 4s, 8, 0 remainder. 2 2s, 4, 0 remainder. 2 1s, 2, 0 remainder. Right? Now write from bottom every one. What is the answer? If you write from the bottom, then it will become 1 triple 0, I think so. 1 triple 0, 1 0 1. Right? Base 2. Base 2. If you have doubt, your answer is right or wrong. If you have doubt, you can do the cross checking. You can do the cross checking. See this one. What is the cross checking? I done until now decimal to binary. Now I will do binary to decimal. If you want, you can do cross checking. Cross checking, you no need to waste that much time. If you want to do cross checking, you no need to waste that much time. Some people are asking, sir, how to do cross checking, sir? Let me do the cross checking. Listen, let me do the cross checking. Very simple. See this one. This is multiply by, first person multiply by 2 power 0. Next one 2 power 1. Next one 2 square. Next one 2 cube. Next one 2 power 4. Next one 2 power 5. Next one 2 power 6. But one thing I want to ask you. You no need to do blindly like this. You no need to do blindly every time like this. Everyone multiplying by 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square like that. You no need to do. So the best thing what you do is, anyhow they are zeros. Multiply by 0. Anyhow these are zeros. Zeros you no need to multiply. Remaining people you take. What is the answer? This one multiply by 2 power 6. Let me see. 1 into 2 power 6. Next one. This one multiply by 2 square. 1 into 2 square. Because anyhow these are zeros. You no need to multiply. Next one. 1 into 2 power 0. Means only once take into consideration.
only 1. 1 into 2 power 0. 1 into 2 square. 1 into 2 power 6. These are anyhow zeros, you no need to bother. Only once multiply. Only once multiply. So 1 into 2 power 6. 1 into 2 square. 1 into 2 power 0. Can you say what is the answer? 2 power 6 means 64. 2 square means 4. 2 power 0 means 1. It will become 68 plus 1, 69. So this is the way. 69, this is the way. So same thing is came back. Same thing is came back. Some people are asking, sir, any shortcuts are there? If any shortcut is there, I will let you know. So starting itself, I cannot this shortcut. Let's follow the actual process first. Let's follow the actual process first. Right? I think comparing previous one, I done some minimization here. Comparing previous one, I done some minimization. What is the minimization? When I am converting binary to decimal, previously I multiplied 0 also, 1 also. 0 also multiplied, 1 also multiplied. Now only once multiplied, check. Only once multiplied. Here also almost, right? In the next story I can do little more better. So if you are comfortable decimal to binary, binary to decimal, then I can go to the next story. Please let me know. Please let me know. Are you comfortable or not? Any doubt there? Let me know. This is the second example to convert from decimal to binary, binary to decimal. Decimal to binary, binary to decimal. But I done some minimization. When I am doing binary to decimal, small minimization I done. What is the answer? Don't multiply every person by 2 power something. Multiply only once. Multiply only once by powers of 2. See, first one powers of means 2 power 0. I think right. See, it is the 0th, right? Let us say it is the 0th bit. Multiply by 2 power 0. It is the first bit. Multiply by 2 power 1. It is the next bit. Multiply by 2 square. Like that powers are going. Right? Only with the zeros take. Once anyhow 0. No use at all. If you are comfortable, I can go to the next example. Check one time. I hope you are really comfortable. Now let's come to the next story. Listen everyone. Listen everyone. So I think two examples I said till now. I hope everyone is comfortable also. See this one. I think it look like lot of, right? I think lot of time consuming. This entire story if I do, lot of time consuming. Right? This is the actual process. The actual process this only. Can anyone help you now? Shortcuts will be done by computer or human? Please let me know. Shortcuts will be done by computer or human? I want answer from you. Who will do shortcuts? Computer will do shortcuts or human will do? Please let me know. Who will do shortcuts? Computer or human? Who will do shortcuts? Shortcuts will be done by whom? Human or computer? Who will do? Human only, right? Computer cannot do any shortcuts. Computer cannot do shortcuts. Remember, inside computer, decimal to binary, this is the conversion. Inside the computer, decimal to binary, this is the conversion, because computer cannot do any shortcuts. Computer knows only procedure. This is the one of the procedure to convert from decimal to binary. This is the procedure to convert from, right, binary to decimal. Computer cannot do any shortcuts. Humans only can do shortcuts. See what the human will do, right? Because of this much big story going on, listen, because of this much big story going on, right? What the human is done? Very interesting answer. Listen, very interesting answer. Can you help me one small line? Everyone listen. To right, 69. Can you help 69? 2 power 0, 1. See the powers of 2. You should think like this. Okay, 69.
69, right? Let's see the powers of 2. 2 power 0 is 1, 2, right? 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 32, 2 power 5 32, 2 power 6 64. Can you help me? Am I crossed it till now? 2 power 6 64. Am I crossed it till now? No. 2 power 7 128. I am crossing. So I think you cannot cross. If crossing, don't take. Can you help? Right? 2 until 2 power 6 not crossing. Right? I think after 2 power 6 crossing is there. 2 power 0 not crossing, 2 power 1 not crossing, 2 square not crossing, 2 cube not crossing, 2 power 4 also not crossing, 2 power 5 also not crossing, 2 power 6 64 not crossing, 2 power 7 crossing. So don't take 2 power 7, 2 power 6 only take. Not crossing, right? So I think not crossing, which is the larger one? 2 power 6, which is 64. Not crossing, bigger one you take. Not crossing, bigger one you take, 2 power 6. So what I want to say is, for the 69, closest powers of 2 you take. You cannot cross it. 2 power 6, right? Listen, 69 less than, closest powers of 2 you take. 69 less than, closest powers of 2 power 6, because 2 power 6 64. But 2 power 7 128, crossing don't take. Without crossing, which is the closest powers of 2 power 6 64 you take. Can you help me? From 69, if you remove 64, what is the remaining? From 69, if you remove 64, what is the remaining? I think 5. Again, right? After subtraction, you got 5. Again, this 5 also, right? Closest powers of 2 without crossing. Closest powers of 2 without crossing. What is the answer? I think 2 square 4, right? Now I think from the 5, if you remove 4, 1 is there. This one also, right? Closest powers of 2 without crossing, equal also, no problem, 2 power 0. So what I want to say is, for the 69, 6th bit you take, 2nd bit you take, 0th bit you take. Let me ask you, 0th bit you take, yes. 0th bit is 1, that's okay. Next one, first bit don't take, second bit don't take. Yeah, second bit I have to take. Second bit is 1. Third bit don't take. 0th bit, see this one. It is the 0th bit, first bit, second bit. Second bit 1. Third bit don't take. Fourth bit don't take. Fifth bit don't take. Sixth bit take. Sixth bit take. Right? Let me rewrite again. Because of space not there, maybe some people are not able to see. I will write once again. See this. Let me move a little bit. Yeah. See this. 0th bit, first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit, sixth bit. Right? Like this. 0 to 6th bit. Now see the answer. 0th bit you have to take. Next one. Second bit you have to take. Sixth bit you have to take. Remaining don't take. If you want, you can verify. This is equal to this one or not verify. Can you help me now? This is equal to this one or not verify. This is equal to, this binary number is equal to, see this. Whatever we done, same, verify. 1000101. So instead of blindly, listen, what this procedure is doing is blindly divide. Computer will do blind procedures. Inside a computer like this. But by seeing this one, I got to know that, okay, right? Always divide by 2 means something relation with the powers of 2. So what you do is, if you want answer directly, no need to divide by 2, right? The best thing what you can do is, closest powers of 2 without crossing, 2 power 6. So 64. From the total 69, remove 64, 5k. Again this 5, right? Closest powers of 2 without crossing, 2 square. From the 5, this remove this 4. Remaining is 1. Again to this one, closest powers of 2. 2 power 0, 1. 1, I think finally 0. 0k means stop. So the things which I consider in my process is 6th bit, 2nd bit, 0th bit. 6th bit, 2nd bit, 0th bit. Remaining are zeros. But in this procedure, right? 1 also same work, 0 also same work, 1 also same work, 0 also. But here zeros we don't consider, zeros we don't consider, just we will find out ones, remaining we will write zeros, right? Ones we will write, only our concentration is ones, zeros we don't neglect, zeros we don't do any work. When you know 6th bit 1, 2nd bit 1, 0th 1, 0th bit 1 means remaining are anyhow zeros. I am repeating once again. When you know 6th bit is 1, 2nd bit is 1, 0th bit is 1, remaining anyhow zeros. No need to do any work. It is looking like a very easy procedure because you are not wasting for zeros also sometime. But here zeros also, ones also. It looks bigger procedure. I think this is maybe confusing to you because of one problem you done. Let's go to previous problem. Can you do the same story here? Let's go to previous problem. This is the previous problem. Everyone listen. It is the previous problem. Everyone listen. Can you help? One blind procedure is this. This is the blind procedure. Let me do the shortcut. I am doing the shortcut. Very simple. 25. What are the closest powers of 2 without crossing? 2 power 4, 16. 2 power 5, 32. Crossing there. Take 2 power 4. 16. From the 25, remove 16. Remaining is 9. Again to this 9, right? Start the closest powers of 2. 2 cube, 8. 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Again to this 1, closest powers of 2. 2 power 0, 1. Remove 0. 0 means stop. That means in my story, I consider 0th bit, 3rd bit, 4th bit. Let me write now. Last one is 4th bit. Be careful. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4th bit 1, 3rd bit 1, 0th bit 1, remaining zeros. If you want, you can verify. This is the binary number. See, same binary number. Verify. 1 1 0 0 1 like that. 1 1 0 0 1 like that. So I said till now decimal to binary how? Binary to decimal how? What actually computer will do, I explained. What actually computer will do, I explained. Right? Next one, what actually human will do. Human normally very smart person on this earth. On this earth, right? The smartest person God created is human. After observing the process, human got to know that, right? Why are you concentrating? Why are you doing same work for zeros also, ones also? Because in a binary number, if I know this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, remaining is anyhow zeros. So he concentrated only ones. By default, remaining people are zeros. That's how he done. I'm thinking almost you are comfortable. To get the clarity, can you do one example? Can you use shortcut? Using shortcut, can you do one example? Using shortcut, can you do one example? I want answer from you. Please try once. Please try once. 246 base 10. What is binary format? I want answer. Using shortcut, can you do this? Because this chapter completely based on how to convert decimal number into binary number. How to convert decimal number into binary number. This chapter completely based on that story. This chapter completely based on that story. Let's try. Yeah, use the shortcut. Don't do directly, use the shortcut. Use the shortcut. Computer normally will follow some procedure. by observing that procedure, human got to know that why should I do work for 1 also same work, 0 also same work, why should I do that? So then it felt that if I know in the given binary number few places 1 means remaining places 0, so you don't want to work for 0, 1 you want to work. So see the shortcut. Many people almost got shortcut. Those people who followed, they almost got shortcut. Still if you don't get, can you see this? Still if you don't get, can you see this one? 246 is the number. Who is the closest powers of 2? 246, who is the closest powers of 2? Let me try. 2 power 6, 64. Okay, fine. 2 power 7, 128. Okay, fine. 2 power 8, 256. 2 power 8 crossing. 2 power 8 crossing. I think closest powers of 2, 2 power 7, 128. So from the total 246, right, remove 128. From the total 246, remove 128 because 2 power 7, 128. If I take 2 power 8, 256. So remove. So what is the answer? If you remove 16, I think 8. I think 3 and 2 means 1. Right? I think it is the 3 left out is 3, 1. I think it is 1. Is it 118? Verify. From the 246, if I remove 128, I think, right, I have to borrow from somewhere. So neighbor borrow 1, so it will become 16, 8. Remaining is 3, 3 to 1 means 1. Afterwards 1, 118. Again to this 118. What are the closest powers of 2? 2 power 7, 128. 2 power 6, right, 64. 2 power 6, 64. Remove now. 4. 11, 6 means, what is the answer? 11, 6 means how much? 5. 54. Again, what are the closest powers of 2? 2 power 5, 32. Remaining is going to be 22. 22. So what is the closest powers of 2? 2 power 4, 16. Remaining is 6. But one small question I want to ask you. Listen. One more shortcut I want to say to you. Can you listen this? I'm keep on writing. But when you know, can you help me know? 6 is a right? 6 is a very small number. You can write a binary number directly for 6. I think 6 binary number 110. Am I right? When you know, you can stop and you can write. You no need to go further again. 6 binary number is 110. You can happily write. Wherever you know, you can stop and write. Wherever you know, you can stop and write. Wherever you know, you can stop and write. Please be careful. Some people are asking, sir, can you end the procedure? Let me end the procedure. See the procedure. 0, I think last bit is 7. See, 7th bit. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one is 7. See this one. 7th bit 1. 6th bit also 1. 5th bit also 1. Yes. 4th bit also 1. Yes. Now listen. Last 3 people are 110. Last 3 people are 110. This is anyhow 0. This is anyhow 0. So the binary number if you observe, 4 ones, 0, 1 1, 0, base 2. This is the answer. This is the answer. Check if I done anything wrong. If I done anything wrong, please let me know. If I done anything wrong, please let me know. Check one time. Can I go to next? Hi Shivanshu. Hi Shivanshu. Right. So I think this is also okay. Right, this is also okay. I'm thinking that everyone is comfortable, right? Converting from decimal to binary. Converting from decimal to binary, everyone is okay. Converting from decimal to binary, everyone is fine. Right. So if you want to convert reverse, what is the reverse? If you want to convert reverse, what is the reverse one? Right, I think binary to decimal. What is the answer? I think see this one. I think zeros you no need to bother, ones only concentrate. I think this is first one, 2 power 1, 2 square. 2 power 0 no need to bother, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. Only once multiply. 1 into 2 power 7, 1 into 2 power 6, 1 into 2 power 5, 1 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 power 1. So if you see total, you will see the same number, 246 base 10. Same thing you will get. I hope everyone is comfortable. Whatever I am saying till now, I hope everyone is comfortable. If you are comfortable, listen, if you are comfortable, last question I want to ask you. Because of you are really absolutely fine, right? I'm just stopping this topic. Some basics required, I already explained. Some basics required, I already explained. 3 examples I given, right? Please go through them once. I given 3 examples, conversion from binary to decimal, how, decimal to binary, how computer will do, how humans will do, right? So when you practice more problem, you will get more clarity. 3 problems I done. I hope you are really comfortable. Please practice them properly, right? If you okay, let's go to next story. Listen, if you are okay, let's go to next story. And one more, about conversion, more clarity you will get about conversion, more clarity you will get in the digital subject. In the digital subject, one chapter is there, that is number system, or COA, one chapter is there, floating point representation. So there, right? So COA teacher or digital teacher, they will discuss. COA teacher, digital teacher, they will discuss. At that place, they will discuss. My suggestion is, whatever is necessary for the subject I covered. Whatever necessary for the subject I covered. I hope you are really comfortable. Let's come to the next point. Very, very interesting one. Listen, let me come to the one interesting story. Please help me. One interesting question I want to ask you. Please help me. 3 bits. I have 3 bits. If you have 3 bits, be careful. If you have 3 bits, what is the, right, how many possibilities are there? With the 3 bits, how many possibilities are there? What is the answer? I think whenever you have 3 bits, every bit having 2 choices. Bit 1, let's see this one, 3 bits are there. You have bit 1, you have bit 2, you have bit 3. 3 bits are there. Every bit having 2 choices. So the total possibilities are 2 cube. So totally 8 possibilities. Everyone know this. With the 3 bits, the number of possibilities are, the number of possible binary numbers. 8 possibilities are there, or 8 possible binary numbers. 8 possible binary numbers. Because every bit having 2 choices. 8 possible binary numbers are there. If anyone want to know who are those, see this one, 000, 001, 010, 011. That is right. This bit as 0. Let's take that bit as 1 now. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are ones. If you want, you can verify. With the 3 bits, the number of possible binary numbers are 8 possibilities. With the 3 bits, the number of possible binary numbers are 8 possibilities. And one more. What about decimal value? 000 decimal value 0. It is the decimal value 1. If you want, you can check. Decimal value 2, decimal value 3, decimal value 4, decimal value 5, decimal value 6, decimal value 7. Remember, with the 3 bits, the possibilities, 8 possibilities. In those 8 possibilities, right, First one is 000, all zeros. Last one is 111, all ones, all zeros to all ones. All zeros decimal value 0, all ones decimal value 7. Now it's the correct time to ask you, with the 3 bits, what is the largest decimal value possible? With the 3 bits, largest decimal value possible. Largest decimal value possible. With the 3 bits, largest decimal value possible. Next one, smallest decimal value possible. What is the answer? Largest decimal value 7, smallest decimal value 0. Careful. With the 3 bits, largest decimal value 7, smallest decimal value 0, and total possibilities are 8. 0 to 7 means 8. With the 3 bits, largest decimal value 7, smallest decimal value 0, total possibilities are 8. How total possibilities are 8? Every bit having 2 choices. Every bit having 2 choices. Right? Every bit is either 0 or 1, 2 possibilities like that 3 times. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 times. So 2 cube. Totally 8 possibilities. I written also 000 to 111. 000 decimal value 0. 111 decimal value 7. Now every one lesson. 3 bits. Largest decimal value 7 means last one. 3 bits, largest decimal value 7. Right? Some people are asking, sir, how, sir? Very simple. 3 bits, just write 2 cube. 3 bits, largest decimal value. Just write 3 bits, 2 cube. Minus 1 you write. You will get 7. Right? Some people are asking, sir, what is the smallest one? 2, right? 3 bits are there, 2 cube you write. Minus 2 cube. Otherwise, smallest, directly you can say 0. Smallest one, no requirement of any formula, not required because 0. But biggest one is with the 3 bits, 2 cube minus 1. I think to get the clarity, can you do one example by yourself? I am expecting answer. Please help me one small line. 6 bits. I want answer. 6 bits. How many possible number? Question number 1. Number of possible binary numbers. I want answer from you. Please, can you find out yourself? With the 6 bits, number of possible binary numbers. Question number 2. Smallest decimal value. Question number 3. Largest decimal value. Please, can you try this? With the 6 bits, number of possible binary numbers. With the 6 bits, number of possible binary numbers. With the 6 bits, smallest decimal value possible. With the 6 bits, largest decimal value possible. These only required for this chapter. Right? IP addressing is the first chapter. For that chapter, these basics only needed. IP addressing is the first chapter. For this chapter, these basics only needed. Yeah, can you help me now? With the 6 bits, number of possible binary numbers. What is the answer? With the 6 bits, number of possible binary numbers. What is the answer? 2 power 6. Because every bit having 2 choices. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 times. 6 bits, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Every bit having 2 choices, 2 power 6. So 64 binary numbers possible. Can you help me now? What is the smallest decimal value? If you want smallest decimal value, see the binary number. 6 zeros. Binary number. Decimal value 0. 0. Now let's go to largest decimal value. What is the answer? 6 ones. Largest decimal value 6 ones. What is the decimal value? You know, shortcut you know. You know one shortcut I already explained. Largest decimal value with 6 people. This is the way. 2 power 6 minus 1. 2 power 6 minus 1. I think 2 power 6, 64. What is the answer? 63. 63 base 10. That is the answer. That is the answer. So, right, I think some Ibrahim is saying that, sir, today will you complete class full addressing? How it is possible? Are Ibrahim, how it is possible? Ibrahim, you drunk. Ibrahim, you drunk. How it is possible? Thank God you didn't ask me, is total computer network will be over today? Thank God you didn't ask me, total computer network will be over today. You drunk. Are Ibrahim, you drunk. Brainless fellow. Right? So basics going on. Mostly basics will be over. Mostly basics will be over. Yeah, can I go to next? Because of you are really comfortable. Because of you are really comfortable. Can I go to next one? Can you see the next one? Can you see the next one? Be careful. Can you see the next one? Can you see the next one? I am expecting answer. I am expecting answer. Only for namesake. Only for namesake I am expecting. Can you help me now? 8 bits. Can you see the last attack? 8 bits. Number of possible binary numbers. Can you do this also? Number of possible binary numbers. Question number 2. Largest decimal value. Question number 3. Smallest decimal value. So Amarinder, my suggestion is whatever going on, please follow it. Please follow it. Right, in the YouTube, completing a course will take few days extra comparing with the plus. Comparing with the plus people, right, in the YouTube, completing course will take some more days. My suggestion is if you have any target, you want to complete the syllabus within 6 months. If you have any target, within 6 months I want to complete. See, if you want to get the good GATE rank, trust me, 6 months completing syllabus, 3 months revision, last 3 months right, last 3 months PYQs and test series. If you do that, you will get the very good rank. If you have anything like that, within this month I have to complete. Any targets are there, right? I think my advice is YouTube may not be better idea. In the YouTube we will complete the syllabus, but it may take some time. It will take some time, right? Because right, less hours, that is the only reason for this. Right? My suggestion is, if finance is not a problem, please join the plus class as soon as possible. I want to help those people who cannot afford, right? To them I am helping. If really finance problem, you can continue like this. If you don't have a problem, you want to crack the GATE rank, so my suggestion, join as soon as possible and complete the syllabus as early as possible. Right? This is for those people who cannot afford. Right? For them I am explaining. Here, trust me, here also I will complete syllabus. Now start now. 8 bits. Number of possible binary numbers. What is the answer? I think everywhere 2 choices, like that 8 times 2 power 8, 256. Next one. Last decimal value, largest decimal value. Sorry for this. Yeah, meaning is same. Largest decimal value. What is the answer? Largest decimal value is everyone now 2 power 8 minus 1. Means 256 minus 1, which is 255. Smallest decimal value 0. Directly write 0. Directly write 0. Right, perfect. I'm thinking you are really comfortable this also. I'm thinking you are really comfortable this also. Please be careful. Please be careful. Let's go to next. And one more nice story. Can you see this? Listen everyone. Very interesting answer. Please help me. One small line. Listen. Careful everyone. One more example of different story. Can you see this? Yeah, see this one. This is a binary number. Everyone listen. This is a binary number. Careful. This binary number contain, let us assume this binary number contains 6 bits. See this example, please careful. This is also one of the basic point. This binary number contains 6 bits. Can you help me now? If this binary number contains 6 bits, how many possibilities? If this binary number contains 6 bits, how many possibilities? Number of possible binary numbers, how many? I think 2 power 6, 64. If this binary number contains 6 bits, the possible all binary numbers, right? This binary, right? Listen everyone now. Binary number contains 6 bits. Then how many possible binary numbers are there? I think 64. You know how some people are asking, sir, how 64, sir? How 64? You know what is the answer? 6 zeros 2. 6 ones. Binary number contains 6 bits. So 2 power 6 binary numbers are possible. Means 64. How 64? 6 zeros to 6 ones. Everyone know this. See what I am going to say now. Listen what I am going to say. Everyone listen. If you okay with this, see this one. If you okay, let us assume that binary number contains 6 bits. Careful. Let us assume that binary number contains 6 bits. These 6 bits I divided into. Otherwise I will write here 6 bits. This binary number contains 6 bits. Right? These 6 bits I divided into. Let us assume 2 parts. Right? Binary number contains 6 bits. Right? These 6 bits I divided into 2 parts. Let us assume here 2 bits. Here 4 bits. Right? These binary number contains 6 bits. I divided into 2 parts, 2 bits and 4 bits. 2 bits and 4 bits. Can you help me now? With the 2 bits, how many binary numbers possible? 2 square. With the 4 bits, how many binary numbers possible? 2 power 4. Which will goes to 2 square into 2 power 4, which will goes to 2 power 6. Same story. If I divide those binary number which contains 6 bits into 2 parts, I divided 2 parts x and y, where x contain 2 bits, y contain 4 bits. With the 2 bits, 2 square possibilities are there. With the 4 bits, 2 power 4 possibilities are there. So total possibilities are 2 into 2 power 4 means 2 power 6, which is 2 power 6. So careful. So if anyone asks you, right, I have a, listen, if anyone asks you, I have 10 bits. Be careful from now onwards. I have 10 bits. Those 10 bits I divided into two parts, x and y, where x contain 3 bits, y contains 7 bits. Then how many possibilities? How many possible binary number for x? 2 cube. How many possible number for y? 2 power 7. Total possibilities how many? 2 cube into 2 power 7. Right? I think to get the clarity, can you do one example by yourself? Listen everyone. Same thing, can you do one example? Interesting answer. Listen, interesting answer. I have. Careful everyone. I have 13 bits. I have 13 bits. 13 bits are divided into two parts, x and y, where x contain 8 bits, y contain 5 bits. I have 13 bits. 13 bits divided into two parts, x and y, where x contain 8 bits, y contain 5 bits. Can you help me now? With the 8 bits, how many binary numbers possible? 2 power 8. With the 5 bits, how many binary numbers possible? 2 power 5. 2 power 5. Right? So can you help me now? Total how many possible? 2 power 13. 2 power 13. So 2 power 13 can be written as 2 power, right? Listen, 2 power 13 can be written as 2 cube into 2 power 10, which is going to be 2 cube means 8. 2 power 10 means k, 8k. 2 power 13 is 8k, where 2 cube is 8, 2 power 10 is k, 8k. So total possible binary numbers with the 13 bits are, right, 8k. Manish is asking, sir, candid key is a subset of a super key. I really don't know, Manish. I left long time back. I really don't know, Manish. I left long time back. If I revise, I can say. But right, as of now, DBMS, I am not that much clear. I have to read once. I know, but I forgotten. Right? So please take care. 13 bits, right? If anyone asks you, 13 bits if I divide into two parts, x and y, where x contain 8 bits, y contain 5 bits, right? Within the x, how many possible binary numbers? 2 power 8. Within y, how many possible binary number? 2 power 5. Total possible binary numbers 2 power 13, which is nothing but 8k binary numbers possible with 13 bits. 8k binary numbers possible with the 13 bits. Yeah, I'm thinking you are really comfortable. With this story. If you really okay, listen, if you really okay, whatever discussion is done, please careful everyone. Please careful. I'm starting. First topic is IP addressing. Let me write now. Basics are over. I'm writing here. See this one. I'm writing here. Basics over. Basics over. Then see this one. Then actual topic you can start. Then actual topic I can start. IP addressing. The actual topic is IP addressing. Yeah, this IP addressing contain two parts. Class full addressing. This IP addressing contain two parts. First part, class full addressing. Second one, classless addressing. Basics are over. So first chapter I am starting IP addressing. First chapter I am writing IP addressing, which internally contain two parts: class full addressing, classless addressing. Class full addressing, classless addressing. IP addressing contain two parts, class full addressing, classless addressing, right? Let's write the first topic. Yeah, class full addressing, right? So what is the class full addressing? Let me start. Let me ask you, first chapter is IP addressing. It is a very important for GATE exam. It is a very important for GATE exam. Every year minimum one question, right? Maximum maybe 3 questions, but forget about how many marks will come in the GATE exam, forget about, but real life every time you will see IP address and all. Is this IP is working or not? What is the private IP? What is the public IP? What is the subnetting? What is the supernetting? There are so many things you will listen again and again. As a computer science person, right? It is your minimum responsibility what actually this is. What is IP address? What is the MAC address? What is the private IP? What is the public IP? What is the subnetting? What is the supernetting? Right? What is the broadcasting address? What is the limited broadcasting address? What is the loopback address? There are so many keywords. What is the multitasking? Right? So there are so many keywords. It is better to learn once. It will be really useful in your life also. It is really useful in your life also. My suggestion is it may come in the exam 1 question or 3 questions. If you are lucky, 3. Forget about the marks and all. This is a really interesting topic. My suggestion is please keep concentration. Please keep concentration so that you will get it. Please keep concentration. Start now. And one small question I want to ask you. In the internet, everyone will be identified by what? This is the question what I'm asking you. In internet, every computer will be identified by what? If anything connected in the internet, then everyone will be identified by what? Everyone will be identified by IP address. Can you help? In India, everyone will be identified by Aadhaar card. In India, everyone will be identified by Aadhaar card. In the similar way, in the internet, everyone will be identified by IP address. Everyone will be identified by IP address. Right? If at all, let us assume the 2 computers are communicating. In the internet, 2 computers are communicating. Indication that 2 IPs are communicating. Yeah, so if in the internet, if 2 computers are communicating, means 2 IPs are communicating. In the real life, 2 humans are communicating, means 2 Aadhaar cards are communicating. In India point of view, 2 humans are communicating, 2 Aadhaar cards are communicating, because everyone will be identified in India by Aadhaar card. In internet, everyone will be identified by IPs only. 2 computers are communicating, means 2 IPs are communicating. 2 Indians are communicating, means 2 Aadhaar cards are communicating. So remember, without Aadhaar card, in India, identifying someone is very difficult. Same way in the internet, without IP address, right, it is very difficult to identify a particular computer in internet. So what I want to say is, in the internet, everyone will be identified by IP address. IP means internet protocol. IP address, internet protocol address. Right? Fine. So everyone know this. In computer, everything will be identified by IP address only. So IP addresses will be divided into 2 parts: class full address, classless address. Class full, classless. let's discuss first of all class, right? Let's discuss about first of all class full address. Class full address, right? What it means, I will explain. Listen, I will explain. Remember first point. See the first point. IP address contain, everyone listen, IP address contain 32 bits. Right? I am writing the word the class full address. Please careful. Class full address. IP address contain 32 bits. 32 bits. IP address contain 32 bits. Yeah, fine. 32 bits means 4 bytes. 4 bytes. Next one, second point. Second point, right? IP address contain 32 bits, 4 bytes. That is okay. Next one. In internet, every computer identified by IP address. Right? I am starting class full address. In that first step. IP address contain 32 bits. Next one. In internet, every computer identified by IP address. Can you help me now? In internet, every computer will be identified by IP address. In India, every Indian will be identified by Aadhaar card. So, right? If you want, you can write that also. In internet, every computer will be identified by IP address. In India, every Indian will be identified by Aadhaar card. Similar story, similar. Without Aadhaar card, right, to distinguish two Indians are very difficult. Without Aadhaar card, distinguishing two Indians are very difficult. Similar way, without IP address, I cannot distinguish two computers. In internet, every computer will be identified by IP address. Okay, that is also okay. Until now, I am thinking you are really comfortable. Let's go to 3. IP address. Listen, IP address. How many bits? 32 bits, right? IP address normally will be represented like this. Listen, IP address normally will be represented like this. See everyone now. First byte, right? First byte. Let me write now. First byte. Colon. Second byte. Colon. Third byte. Colon. So fourth byte. IP will be right? IP address will be represented like this. Right? 4 bytes. 4 bytes separated by colon. 4 bytes separated by colon. First byte colon, second byte colon, third byte colon, fourth byte. So can you help in how many people will do? First byte means what? 8 bits. I am writing now. 8 bits. So first chapter is IP addressing. IP addressing internally contain 2 parts, right? Class full IP addressing, classless IP addressing. I am talking about class full IP addressing, right? We started. First point, IP address contain 32 bits. Second one, in internet every computer will be identified by IP address. Third one, IP address will be represented like this. 32 bits, okay. Will you write 32 bits continuously? No. After every 1 byte, right, colon will be there. First byte colon, second byte colon, third byte colon, fourth byte colon, something like that. Okay, that is also fine. Can you let's see some sample examples. Let's see some sample examples. Right? 8 bits. 8 bits means listen, 8 bits means what's the larger number? That is the reason I said 8 bits larger number, 2 power 8 minus 1, 255. 8 bit smaller number, 0. So I think one of the IP address is 0.0.0.0. With the 8 bits, 0 possible. Next one. One more IP address is, I think 8 bits larger number, 255. One more IP address. And one more IP address. See this one. Everywhere I am taking minimum, everywhere I am taking maximum. It's okay. But so many are also there. I am taking everywhere minimum, everywhere maximum. So many are there. Some people are asking, sir, how, sir? See this one. 0 dot, 0 dot, 0 dot. You can write 1 here. Right? Decimal value is 1. You can write so many things like this. See this one. 10 dot, 10 dot, 10 dot, 25. Because with the 8 bits you can represent 10. It is a decimal value. With the 8 bits you can represent 10. With the 8 bits you can represent 10. With the 8 bits you can represent 25. This is also one more IP. Next one, see this one. This is also one more IP. 200 dot, 150 dot, 169 dot, 0. This is also one more IP. So many IPs possible. Remember, in internet everyone will be identified by IP address. IP address is 32 bits. IP address will be represented byte colon byte colon byte colon like that 4 bytes. So minimum IP address is right 4 zeros. Maximum IP address is right 4 255s. In between them there are so many people. It is the minimal IP address, it is the maximal IP, it is the minimal IP address, it is the maximal IP address, right? So in between there are so many people. I given some examples. Right. So in the next class I said so many things. In today's class. In the next class, right? So please see the number wise. It is the computer network lecture 1, right? See the lecture 2. Maybe tomorrow will be there, right? Whenever it is there, see the lecture 2. Maybe mostly tomorrow also I will take. See the lecture 2. See the continuation. My suggestion, if you want to complete the syllabus early, if you want money is not a problem, if you want to complete the syllabus early, see this one. There is Ignite batch is starting from 28. Join this batch, right? Syllabus will be completed within 6 months. Join this batch, syllabus will be completed within 6 months, followed by 3 months for revision, 3 months for practice. Perfectly you will get the good GATE rank. So my suggestion is you can join in this batch. I am going to teach 7 subjects. In this batch I am going to teach 7 subjects. 7 subjects I will teach. So within 6 months syllabus will be over, so that you can do enough practice, enough revision. It is my code, you can use it, right? You will get some good discount also. One more batch for 2025 people, foundation batch. You can join this batch also if you are 2025 aspirant. Batch is starting from February 28th onwards. Use my code, you will get some good discount. How much discount you will get? See, you will get up to 50%. Up to 50% discount you will get. You can go for plus also, iconic also. The advantage with the subscription is syllabus will complete, right? Yeah, as time as possible. In the YouTube also syllabus will complete. It may take 1 year. It will take 1 year. In the YouTube syllabus will complete. It will take 1 year. But 1 year if you prepare, when you practice. 1 year if you prepare, when you practice, when you revise. My suggestion, if finance is not a problem, please join today. This is my sincere suggestion. You can go for iconic, you will get lot of advantage. Next one, right? I think that's it from my side. In the next class we will meet. Wherever I stopped, I will continue from there. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Right? Inform to your friends also, your classmates also. If anyone is preparing for any competitive exam, right? Inform to your friends also, your classmates also, so that they will also get some advantage. Thank you so much. Good night. See you in the next class.